Hi students, so in this video series we'll be looking at likely questions that always appear in our JAMB and WAEC mathematics exams. So in this question we have to find the simple interest rate, percent annum at which 1000 naira amount 1240 naira in 3 years. So you're looking for the rate percent. Okay, now I want you to remember that simple interest is given by principal times time times rate all over 100. So now we're looking for rate. Now if we cross multiply this, we have that principal times time times rate is equals to simple interest times 100 is 100 simple interest. And since we're looking for rate, then I can divide here by principal times time, and I'll divide here by principal times time. So when this cancels this, we're left with rate to be equals to 100 times the simple interest all over principal times time. Alright, now looking at this question very well, you discover that this 1000 naira is the principal and amounting to 1240. That means our interest there, you know that simple interest is the same as amount minus what? Principal. And that's how we get our simple interest. Alright, now when we have an amount and our principal, so amount there is 1240, then minus the principal, which is 1000, and this will give us 1240 minus 1000 is 240 naira. Okay, so that is a simple interest. That is a simple interest. So since we're looking for rates, okay, we have that rate is equals to 100. You write 100 times simple interest, which is 240 all over, okay, all over our principal is 1000, then times our time in 3 years. So our time is 3. And when we do that, we have that this 0 cancels this 0, this 0 cancels this 0, this 0 cancels this 0 here. So I'm left with 24 all over 3. And 3 here is 1. 3 into 24 is 8. So that means our rate is therefore our rate is equals to 8%. So the rate percent in this question is 8%. Alright, so do well to like, share, and follow for more videos. Alright, see you in the next video. We have more questions that comes out in JAMB and WAEC, and we're going to be posting them frequently. See you in the next video. Do well to follow for more videos. Bye.